What's going on there, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming to you today with a hardware update, guys. As you know from the YouTube short video that we have posted a couple days ago, we have Goldshell CKB box, not from Goldshell, actually from DXPool has arrived. So we are gonna set that bad boy up real quick, and then get it up and hashing. Show you how all of that goes, and then we'll come back and we'll do a little quick overview of the past 3 days or so mining on a CKB box here in your home. November 2021. Yeah. So we got the CKB box here that we're gonna put in. Alright. We're gonna utilize this extra plug right here off of PSU that I'm using for my rev test, or I call it rev test, but it's the 3070 Ti in the RevTech motherboard. I got an extra plug right here, so I'm going to use it for this for right now until I can get something else situated out. The CKB box out of here, and we're going to plug it in right here. So, 1 second. I did want to mention that my CKB box did come with Wi-Fi. I'm going to utilize Ethernet anyway. I'm not going to set up the Wi-Fi, but mine does have it. Apparently it is random, and some do and some don't. Yeah, don't mind the cardboard there. I actually have some pictures right there, so yeah. But this is it, and now we're going to plug it in real fast. Yeah, miners everywhere. Alright, so we're hooked up. We're ready to go. Now, this power supply actually does already have the adapter back here that goes on to the 24 pin. That way I can utilize the RevTech with an ATX power supply. But we're just going to throw those on here anyway because I know it should work. So there we go. So RevTech's on. 3070 Ti is on. So far the spans are spinning. Alright. Fans are spooling up. Typical ASIC, I guess. Never had an ASIC in here before. So this would actually be the first ASIC that I am running for myself at my house. But, So now we're going to head over here and we're going to grab the IP address. I'm going to grab it from my gateway organizer. But you can use really the best way to do it is go into your router settings and find out where it is. So that's what I'm going to do real fast. And now we can see, so we're currently up and hashing at 1034 gigahashes right now as we speak. Alright, firmware, hardware version. So we're up and running as we speak. Currently it's mining to the default right now, so DXPool, Stratum, hash rate mode. Alright, algorithm CKB, that is what we have because it's a CKB box. Temperature setting, hash rate mode. Right here, power plan is what we can choose to do. Actually, we gotta go unlock this. So it tells us our password is right here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Probably we're gonna change that because we don't want to keep it like that. But see, there's a hash rate mode. Now we can go into system. Alright, you can see that the Wi-Fi settings, we're on WAN, so we don't need to do any of that stuff. Firmware restarting. Alright. Go back home. Alright, yeah, we can see that we are hashing away right now. Around 1,000, almost 1,100 gigahashes right there on CKB. Now, of course, we're actually going to change this. We don't want to mine it here, so we are actually going to change to a different pool. They do have pre-selects built into the software, but we are going to enter in, we're going to try to go to 2 miners. So, 1 second. Alright, so, as you can see, we are hashing on 2 miners. It does show up. We just got to give it time to show up on the pool side, but it is there. As we can see, we are hashing right away. Tell our temperatures. 67 degrees is what it looks like. So, as you can see, guys, it was extremely simple to set that thing up, to get it hashing, connect it to your own pool. Fairly simple. So, as you can see, I bought mine from DX Pool, like I said. That's where I got my CKB box. So they have currently raised the price of these. It was about $100 more. I paid $7.49 for mine. Alright, so we're looking at, like stock says, 1,050 gigahashes for 215 watts. As you know, we're getting about, it's about 1,070. Alright. Actually, even a little bit more than that. Average hash rate now sitting is 1.09 terahashes, so that's 1,090 gigahashes. Here's a good breakdown of the last 3 days or so. The 20th was a full day. The 21st was a full day. So as you can see, daily rewards about 130 to 133 CKB per day. Alright, so that's total breakdown. Now I am on 2 miners pool, so I have to hit 500 CKB in order to reach the minimum payout, and then it'll pay out to my wallet. So by the end of day today, I will have the 500, but it'll probably be tomorrow morning-ish, I would say, before these numbers, before this hits 500 and it gets paid out. Average payout that I am currently getting is about 0.29, 0.16, 0.5 CKB per block. Alright, so again, this is Nervos CKB. If you want to use their wallet, I am currently using the GitHub. So we'll go to GitHub and we will launch it. 1 second. Alright, so I am back here in the GitHub repository. Nervos Network Neuron is the wallet that we use for, it's the native CKB wallet. It is a full CLI wallet, but there is a built binary that works, has a graphical interface and everything, and works straight from the get-go. And you can use a setup right here. So Neuron version 0.101.0. I actually use this now. I natively use the CLI version back when I used to mine CKB with the F1, the Black Miner F1 Mini up there. When I was mining CKB back then, as well as my BCU mined on there as well. So used original command line wallet. Now you can just do the full setup. It's super simple now. But so we will go over here really quickly before we get on out of here. So our average hash rate, I would say about 220 watts, 0.08 cents. Calculate that out real quick. So it says we should be getting an estimated rewards of 166 per day currently at current standings. Alright, so that is $4.23 as it sits per day.
per month, $126. 126 0.76 times 12 is about $1,500. So $1,521 would be a yearly gross for one CKB box if prices remained at their current standing of, it's like a 0.025 cents, so 2.5 cents currently sitting. So pretty cool. If you would like to get a Goldshell, I will have the link for this down in the description below from DXpool as well as Goldshell themselves. I will also have a link for the Neuron wallet that will be down there, so that way you don't have to search for it too much, and I will just leave it straight from this page right here. Links in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so anytime that we go live or post videos here. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you all. Happy hashing.